When you search for audio mixers under $100, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to find the one that really meets your needs, you have to look a little deeper. Product number 1, FI-FINE Audio Mixer. The FI-FINE Audio Mixer caught my attention right away with its sleek design and affordability at just $54.99. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 4,500 reviews, this mixer is a bestseller for a reason. If you want an easy-to-use mixer that enhances your gaming or podcasting experience, this is worth a serious look. This means you can control your game sound, music, and voice chat all at once, giving you a polished audio experience. The XLR microphone interface with built-in 48V phantom power improves your mic's performance without needing extra gear. Plus, the RGB lighting adds a fun touch during your live streams, creating an engaging atmosphere for your audience. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced features for professional use. Here's the thing though, if you're a casual gamer or a budding streamer, this mixer has everything you need to improve your audio quality without overwhelming you with complicated settings. This is perfect for you if you're a gamer or podcaster looking for a user-friendly mixer. Skip this one if you're a professional sound engineer seeking high-end features. At this price, it's a great value for casual use. Now, if FI-FINE's lack of advanced features bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The MAONO Gaming Audio Mixer. Product number 2, MAONO Gaming Audio Mixer. Next up is the MAONO Gaming Audio Mixer, priced at $44.52. It boasts a 4.3-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, making it another top choice for gamers and content creators. If you want a mixer that not only works well but also adds fun features to your streams, this one deserves a closer look. This means clear sound quality, crucial for your live streams or recordings. Plus, the customizable sound effects can really spice up your gaming sessions, allowing you to change your voice to keep your audience entertained. The RGB lighting adds a cool vibe to your setup, making your gaming area visually appealing. However, some users mentioned that it's not compatible with USB microphones, which could be a deal breaker for some. But if you're using an XLR mic, you won't find this to be an issue at all. This mixer is perfect for streamers who want to enhance their audio without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a feature-rich mixer for gaming or podcasting. Skip this if you need USB mic compatibility or advanced audio controls. It's a great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more channels. The Pyle 8-Channel DJ Audio Mixer. Product number 3, Pyle 8-Channel DJ Audio Mixer. The Pyle 8-Channel DJ Audio Mixer is priced at $91.99, and it stands out with its 4.3-star rating from 2,100 reviews. If you need more channels for larger setups, this mixer is definitely worth considering. What really sets this mixer apart is its Bluetooth capability, allowing you to stream music wirelessly from your smartphone. This means you can easily integrate music into your live sets or parties without worrying about cables. It also features multiple microphone and stereo line inputs, making it an excellent choice for DJs or live performers. The rugged steel chassis ensures durability, so you won't have to worry about it breaking down during gigs. That said, some users found the setup a bit confusing if they're not tech-savvy. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, this mixer is pretty straightforward. This is perfect for you if you're a DJ or performer looking for versatility in your audio setup. Skip this if you're a beginner wanting something plug-and-play. It offers solid value for a multi-channel mixer. Now, if the complexity of the Pyle mixer is a concern for you, then the next product might be more your speed, the LZSIG Mini Audio Mixer. Product number 4, LZSIG Mini Audio Mixer. Coming in at just $27.53, the LZSIG Mini Audio Mixer is a fantastic budget-friendly option with a 4.2-star rating from 691 reviews. If you're looking for something compact and effective, this is a great choice. This mini mixer supports multiple audio sources, which is perfect for mixing your electronic drums, keyboards, and gaming consoles into one output. Its ability to switch between mono and stereo modes makes it versatile for different setups, meaning you can adapt it to your needs easily. However, the lack of advanced features might disappoint some users seeking a more professional tool. But let's be real, if you're just starting out or looking for something portable, this is not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a simple and effective mixer for basic audio applications. Skip this if you need extensive features or channels. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want something that offers a bit more functionality, check out the Avic Professional Audio Mixer. Product number 5, Avic Professional Audio Mixer. Finally, we have the Avic Professional Audio Mixer at $49.99. With a 4.1-star rating from 1,000 reviews, this one's a solid choice for anyone looking for a multifunctional mixer. This mixer features multiple inputs for microphones and instruments, along with Bluetooth streaming capability. The 48V phantom power is great for condenser mics, and the onboard EQ and effects controls let you tailor your sound exactly how you want it. On the downside, some users reported difficulties with Bluetooth connectivity. Here's the thing, if you can look past that issue, you'll find a mixer that covers nearly all your audio needs. This is perfect for you if you're into live streaming, podcasting, or small band performances. Skip this if you need flawless Bluetooth performance. It's a great value for its features. To wrap things up, the FI-FINE and MAONO mixers are excellent for gamers, while the Pyle is better for DJs with more channels. The LZSIG is a great budget choice, and the Avic has fantastic all-around functionality. So there you have it, the FI-FINE and MAONO for gamers, Pyle if you want more channels, LZSIG for those on a budget, and Avic for versatility. Each of these mixers brings something unique to the table, proving you don't need to spend a fortune for great audio quality. Happy mixing!